We are pleased to show you the 2007 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, one-touch windows, one compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.